This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery pack so there's no power flow. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the visible screws with the correct T8/T6 driver and keep them sorted in a tray. Next, pry the shell gently with a spudger along the seam. Use steady pressure so you don't snap tabs. Make sure to note ribbon cable locations before separating halves. That step saves you time when reassembling and reduces risk of tearing delicate connectors. Once the shell is open, you'll lift the PCB and detach any ribbon cables by flipping the locking tabs. Be deliberate and gentle. Then inspect the rubber dome and the PCB contact pads for wear, corrosion, or debris that causes poor contact. If you see grime, apply 90% isopropyl and a soft brush to clean the area. For sticky residue, lightly rub with a cotton swab. If traces are damaged, note that repair requires soldering or trace bridges, so prepare tools accordingly. You now replace the rubber contact or apply a thin layer of conductive ink to a worn pad. Do one small pass and let it cure. Once satisfied, reconnect ribbons, orient the PCB to match alignment pins, and close the shell while ensuring no cables are pinched. Tighten screws evenly but don't over-tighten. Insert batteries and test the button in a game or controller app. If it still misbehaves, reseat the dome and clean again, or recalibrate the controller before considering a new PCB or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.